is so snugged. I kid you not. Adjusting the adjustable straps in the back is way past my ear, so I need to cut off some on the side. But this is looking so good already. Like, what is laid? Everything looks good. So the sides, obviously, it's a 13x6. It's a lace front, so the sides don't always lay as flat as the rest of the lace. So one thing you can do is get a little bit of spray. That's what I always do. Still very beginner friendly, and I just kind of spray a little bit of that on the side to keep it down, and you're good to go. I'm gonna actually cut away these pieces of hair, so they're not gonna remain that long. Like, I want you to see how this looks without me doing any work to it. Like, you see, completely glueless. And the curl, like the way they already styled this, the way it's already, like, I don't even need to go over this with my hot comb. It's so carefree. It's like so natural looking, like no baby hair is needed. Can we speak about